Is Pinterest affiliate marketing still a thing? Is Pinterest even worth it? Short answer is yes. And in this video, I'll be teaching you everything you need to know about Pinterest affiliate marketing so that you can start earning money today. And the best part is I'll show you how to do it without the stress of building a website. However, a quick heads up, we won't be spamming affiliate links or URL shorteners on Pinterest, as this is one of the fastest ways of getting your Pinterest account blocked. And also, for those who are interested in seeing how to do Pinterest affiliate marketing with a simple website, I recommend to watch this video on the screen next. Okay, so the first step is picking an affiliate network. And all you need to do is to go over to Google and you can type in simple keywords like best affiliate marketing platform, and also you can look for specific affiliate networks in your country if you want to do that as well. However, you can see here we have platforms like ClickBank, Rakuten, Amazon Associates, and other options. For this video, we are going to be taking Amazon Associates as an example. All you just simply need to do is to head over to the Amazon Associates website, which is going to bring you to this page. As you can see here, all you need to do is to create an account with them, recommend products on the Amazon website, and you get paid for every sale you make. As you can see, you can earn up to 10% for every sale you make on Amazon. So once you sign up to Amazon Associates, the next step is to simply go over to the Amazon website and you can pick any product on the platform and start promoting right away. So we are going to be taking the rabbit lamp niche as an example, but this process is the same for whatever niche you decide to go with. So once you type in this keyword, you're going to see a bunch of products you can work with on the Amazon website. And I highly recommend to go for products that has at least 4.5-star rating. This tells you most people like the product, okay? So whatever product you decide to go with, all you need to do is to click on the product. And you can basically start promoting the product on Pinterest. And I'm going to show you how to do it correctly so that you can start earning money on Pinterest the right way. So that takes us to the next step where you want to create a Pinterest account if you don't have one already. However, instead of creating a regular Pinterest account, I highly recommend to go for a business Pinterest account. And I'm going to show you the reason why in a moment. So all you need to do is to come over to business.pinterest.com, which is going to bring you to this page. And all you then need to do is to click on the sign up button. So once you create your business account, your dashboard should look like this. And like I mentioned earlier, some of the benefits you're going to get from a business account on Pinterest is this analytics and performance tab, which basically gives you valuable information on how your pins are performing on the platform. And it also gives you access to this Pinterest trend right here, which tells you the other topics getting traction on Pinterest right now. And also it gives you ability to run paid ads if you wish to do that on Pinterest. And now I'm going to show you before the end of this video another cool feature of using a Pinterest business account. So once you have your Pinterest business account created, the next step is to start promoting whatever product you chose on Amazon, whatever affiliate network you're working with. Okay. Like I said, we'll be taking the rabbit niche as an example. And to get the most out of Pinterest traffic, I highly recommend to create a legit review and not just uploading mere product images. If possible, you want to actually test out the product for yourself first before promoting it to others. This way, you won't just be giving people extraordinary value by actually testing out the product yourself. You are also going to gain people's trust quickly, which ultimately leads to more sales and more revenue for you. On a side note, Pinterest requires you to disclose your affiliate link, and you can do this either within your pins itself, or you can basically mention it in your pin's description. And one of the fastest and easiest ways to create quality pins is by using canva.com. This is a free design tool you can use to create amazing Pinterest pins in less than 1 minute. And so you know, I've created a video right here that lets you create amazing pins using Canva in less than 30 seconds. So once you create your pins, all you simply need to do is to come to your Pinterest account and you want to click on this section here. Then you want to click on create pin. Next thing you want to then do is to upload your pin. So once you upload whatever pin you've created on Canva, all you just need to do is to scroll down to this option that says tag a product. So this is a cool feature recently added on Pinterest, which allows you promote affiliate links directly on Pinterest without having to create a website. Like I mentioned earlier, you won't be creating any website for this strategy. All you just need to do is to come over to this section that says use a link. Then you want to go back to your Amazon associate account to copy your affiliate link. You want to simply paste it in this box like this. And once you do that, as you can see here, Pinterest also gives you this button that automatically disclose this is an affiliate link for you, which is going to keep your account safe because this way you are disclosing your link, which is one of their policies. Okay, as you can see here, you don't need to create a website yourself. All you need to do is to paste in the affiliate link here like this. And once people find your pins, they are automatically going to find the product itself. And this way, my friends, you don't have to create a website on Pinterest and you can still make a lot of money with Pinterest affiliate marketing.